The situation is tense kwa-Gaza. uMadlomo is struggling to cope with the whole infidelity thing. Wakhe, the affair with uDinhle Nonhloso has really affected her. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on scandal. Hloso is trying by all means to win uMadlomo over. Came home, emthengele her favorite chocolates, but uMadlomo was just nonchalant about it. Actually lost her appetite when he arrived. And then uMadlomo goes to Mathubela crying, telling her, they're really dating. Mathubela tries to comfort her. And then uDinhle tries reaching out to Nhloso, but Nhloso is giving her the cold shoulder, saying the most important thing right now is to make sure that he fixes things with his wife and that the situation endlini gets back to normal. uDinhle is disappointed. What was she expecting? Was she thinking that Nhloso was going to leave his wife and sort of now move in with her? On the other hand, uKitiboni is in too deep gambling. She even stole 500 kamawake to go and pay Potsotso 400 and then use the other 100 rand to gamble. And then when her mother asked them about the 500, she kept cut like she didn't know anything. And then Tori's asked her, yesterday I think I heard you in the afternoon, I smelled your perfume, and she denies it. And then Thapela's mom goes to see Mthunzi, saying she's welcoming him in the family, and then ask him, who is your mom? And then when Mthunzi explains it's Patricia, it seems like Thapela's mom knows who Patricia is, but she didn't let that out. She just left after finding out. And then Semide is putting pressure on Mthunzi to bring uDambisa so he can meet her. uDambisa finally arrives. Mthunzi fills her in about this whole thing about the whole Semide thing, him making him believe because he's his son. But Dambisa feels like, hi, when I'm Tunzi, it's always scheming and deceiving people with you. Now you want to use me to get inside your schemes. Will Dambisa give in and actually help him extort money from Semide? Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.